Jodhpur District Session Court will today announce its decision on the Arms Act case against Bollywood actor Salman Khan. Now, Salman Khan is accused of carrying and using illegal arms with an expired license. Now, a case under the Arms Act was registered against him. The actor allegedly had a US-made revolver and a .22-bore rifle with him. The prosecution has said that the license of both the firearms had expired on the 22nd of September 1998, but the actor used them to hunt two black bucks on the 1st of October and 2nd in 1998 in the Kankani village on the outskirts of Jodhpur. Now, the prosecution has argued that Khan in 1998 had complained that his revolver had been stolen. However, during a search, the police officer Satyamani Tiwari found the firearm in his hotel room. The prosecution also produced post-mortem reports of the two black bucks that were killed that night, and it shows that the gunshot injury was the cause of death. Now, for more on this, we are joined in by my colleague Urvashi. Urvashi, this is a case that's been going on for a very long time now. So what exactly is likely to happen today?
Ahead of this particular that is to be announced in Rajasthan. While he's present over there, his presence is required in the court. Day after, we say 11 o'clock or so, court will come out and pronounce the verdict on this. This whole date was announced on January 9th when they were the arguments concluded from the both sides. Now, if we see and talk about this whole case, let's understand this whole case plays an important role while the prosecution has come out with very strong evidences from their side, submitting the post-mortem reports of the two animals that were shot by gun. We see that, how and in which way the verdict will come out today. It was in the last year wherein, court had acquitted Salman Khan for black buck case, for poaching case, in fact. And today is the day for his illegal arms act charges that have been, that he's alleged of and that he's charged for. If we see and talk about his whole gun license, was expired in the month of the September and in 98 year, and it was seen that how in October is when we see him, that he had fired the shots on the two animals out there.
Absolutely, Urvashi. And what is the defense that Salman Khan is likely to put out? Because quite clearly, he had the arms with him, because this has been confirmed by the post-mortem report, that very arms were the ones that were used to actually fire and kill the black bucks.
In fact, from the side of the defense, they have been maintaining that how it was the whole gun that, that was found basically was stolen from the side, from Salman Khan. In fact, if we see and talk about the prosecution, it's to see how and in which way the strong parameters that they have come out to make the whole case a watertight case. How much, can that have been made an effect on the verdict today, while it's, Raj Purohit, Justice Raj Purohit, who would be announcing verdict today in Rajasthan court. In fact, it is a kind of very big day, for Salman Khan. If found guilty, he would be, maximum 7 years inside the jail.
Absolutely, Urvashi. Thank you very much indeed for joining us and giving us all those updates. So this is an important case that Salman Khan will be appearing in Jodhpur. This is a case that dates back to 1998 Arms Act case. Now, this is, of course, Salman Khan has landed in Jodhpur. This is in his court for the Arms Act case.